Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Makeup by Sasha, and in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you how I created this navy blue smoky eye. Now in today's video guys, I'm just going to be focusing on the eyes, so if you guys want to see a tutorial on how to get a really good base, a flawless base and highlight and contouring, if you click on the link above, I do have a beginner's guide to makeup series, so if you're a beginner and you want to learn the basics, I would recommend you start by watching that playlist. Now let's get straight into this video, guys. Taking the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Almond, I'm just using that to apply that to my eyelid. As you can see, I'm not using any special technique, I'm literally just getting it on there. Next, I'm taking my beauty blender that I got from Amazon to blend out that concealer. This is a great way of allowing your eyeshadows to have something to stick to. So this is just a major step if you want your eyeshadows to pop and if you want your eyeshadow to last as well. Taking my L'Oreal Pro Matte powder in the shade Cocoa, I'm using that to set my eyelid. Taking the Tammy Tropical Twilight eyeshadow palette in the shade Horizon, I'm using that as my transition color. I wanted to add warmth to this eye look. I feel like it will look a lot nicer on my skin tone. Next, I'm taking the shade Coconuts and I'm applying that just below where I've put that transition color, right directly into my crease. Taking this beautiful matte color in the shade Nightfall, and I'm applying this all over my lid and stopping exactly where you see my crease. Taking a blending brush, I'm just literally softening up those edges by blending it just where that blue shade ends. That's where I'm blending out. So this will help just to soften that blue. Taking the shade Night Sky, I'm just using that to apply to my lid. So this will give a nice sort of pop of color just right in the center. I absolutely love this shade. It's so beautiful on any skin tone, to be honest, but especially a deeper skin tone. Using the Lasting Drama liquid liner from Maybelline, I'm just using that to create a nice wing. I'll be honest guys, this is not my favorite liner, but it's just something that I just had there available to grab. It's a little bit drying and you kind of have to go in several times with it, so yeah, it's not the best. taking some nice dramatic lashes, I'm applying these lashes just as close as I can get to my lash line. Now guys, I'm so sorry, I actually forgot where I got these lashes from. I literally have a box of lashes and I just keep reusing them. So if I do find out where, I'll list it in the comment section down below. But yeah, sorry guys. I promise I'll remember for next time. Going back in with the shade Nightfall, I'm using this to further define my eyes by tapping it onto my lower lash line. Now guys, as you can see, my face is actually already done, so you don't want to be using like a swishing motion. You definitely want to be patting. Just get the color on, and then once you've got the color on, then you can start to blend, because I don't want you to mess up your base. So just be really careful with this bit. Next, I'm going back in with the shade Horizon, and I am blending that just underneath where I've put Nightfall. I am blending both colors together. So this will really help just to kind of diffuse the blue, make it a little bit more softer, and also give it a warm transition. Especially if you've got lines under your eyes, you definitely want to make sure you drag your eyeshadow a little bit further down, because that will help conceal them. Next, I'm taking my Kiko Kajal eyeliner pencil, and I'm using that to apply to my waterline. Taking my e.l.f. Length and Volume mascara, I'm just using that to apply to my lower lashes and also my top lashes as well. This is a really good mascara, guys. I don't know if you've tried it. This mascara just leaves my lashes just like really long, really defined, and I love the fact that it's just jet black. I can also really customize my lash look with this mascara, so it's definitely worth a try. And there we have it. You've reached the end of this video now, guys. Thank you for watching. I absolutely really love this look and how it turned out. It's super wearable and it just looks really like effective and soft at the same time. Let me know what you guys think of this look. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and give me a thumbs up if you did like this video. So until next time, guys, I will see you again in my next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye.